Got a notification that your service is active? Great, we're going to show you how to easily set up your fibre to the curb connection. You'll know you have this type from the onboarding email that you've been sent, or if you have this box in your home. To set up, you'll need your NBN network connection device, or NCD, your NBN compatible router, a DSL connection cable, an Ethernet cable, and both devices' power cables. Start by locating the phone wall socket in your house. You might have two phone wall sockets, so try both to see which is active. This is where your DSL cable will be plugged in, carefully pushing it in until you hear a satisfying click. On the back of your NCD, plug the other end of the DSL cable into the port labelled wall socket. While here, plug in one end of your Ethernet cable to the gateway port and insert the device's power cable. Then, place the other end of the Ethernet cable into the WAN labelled port on the back of your router. From here, it's a case of plugging in the power cable to your router and checking all connections on both devices are secure. Once both power cables have been plugged into the wall, you can flick the switches on. Wait for between 10 to 15 minutes for both devices to finish setting up, checking that all your NCD's lights are blue and all router lights indicate internet connection. Once all lights are as they should be, you're ready to go. You can start connecting your devices to Wi-Fi with the network ID and password usually on the back or bottom of your router. Feel free to also connect devices via Ethernet to any of the Ethernet labelled ports or a VoIP phone handset to the phone port. If you run into any issues or have any questions about your setup, we're here to lend a hand. Visit our help centre on our website or call us on 1300 880 905 to speak to one of our Aussie team members.